So in this iPhone tutorial video, I am going to show you how to enable hover text on the iPhone. So once the settings app is opened up, I want you to scroll down a little to where it says accessibility and select that. Once you're here under vision, if you just scroll down three different options, it says hover text. Go ahead and turn that off. Then on this page right here, hover text, you can go ahead and turn it on if you want. So if I were to go ahead and turn it on right here, hover text will be enabled. So you can go ahead and kind of hover over top of it if you want. If you want to do what you got to do that way, you can kind of play around with it. If you want to go ahead and turn it off, you can go ahead and turn it off this way. And now hover text is going to be disabled. So once again, if you were to turn it on, you can change the text color, the background color, etc. So if you wanted to change this a little bit, you can change it. Do what you got to do. It's completely up to you. You can kind of play around with it that way. You can also scroll down, turn on hover typing, etc. If you want to turn it back off, select off, and now it's going to be disabled. So that is how to enable hover text on the iPhone. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.